Hi friends, this video all about the test drive experience of Prana electric bike. Yeah, Sree Vaaru Motors production Prana electric is a electric bike with a sports model design, and it's a very attractive design and look. It's in showroom of Coimbatore. Yeah, the showroom is mostly available in Coimbatore right now, but waiting for the dealership for all over India. Who are all interested for the dealership, you can contact the Prana Electric, which is the link below. The location is under the below descriptions. If you want a high speed model electric bike, Prana Electric is a best suggestion for me. What are the features? What are the advantages? Just explain in this video clearly that the explanation of motor. Yeah, the motor is a rear wheel motor which is not connected to any belt or any chain. So it is a direct rear wheel motor. So there is no need of a chain maintenance. The rear wheel motor is directly controlled by the controller where in the throttle, and having the disc brake in the front brake, and also having a back disc. So it is a very pleasant experience to have a nice braking system, and the braking system is not like the sports bikes, because the sports bikes have the braking system in the foot. That is in the for back wheel control in the foot, but in this bike the both braking system are controlled in the hands, so there is no clutch. So one thing we need to understand is that, but there is a gear. Yeah, there are four modes: sports mode, drive mode, parking mode, and reverse mode. So these modes will help us to drive as much as we want. If we want in economic mode, you can go for a drive mode. If we want in the high speed mode, then we go for a sports mode. The sports mode gives a high range of 123 kilometer per hour and gives a full charge discharge of 126 kilometer for a full battery discharge. So it's a very nice experience too, and its falcon design is a main attractive thing. This falcon design model is very nice to have that, and their seating arrangement is also very nice, as our modern sports bike. Their model also having the sports bike design as a tail finish. It's very nice to have that. The sparrow tail design have a very attractive light sensitivity, and the most best thing is that there is no need of a charger. They have the rectifier. Yeah, they have an inbuilt rectifier, so no need of an extra charger. The charger itself a power card, that is in our system, in our computers we are using the power cards. That is the charger for here, because that we need to connect directly to the supply. No need for 6 amp supply is enough. A 3-phase 6 amp supply you can directly connect to the bike. No need for getting a new charger, no need to take a charger everywhere. You just plug in and play. Yeah, you can utilize it very nicely. The front disc brakes they have arranged that is a very pleasant one, because we have test drive in rough roads and also in the highways. While driving in the highways, the wobbling effect is very quite nice, because the wobbling and buffering are not over there in the bypass. And in the highways it is very while take over the cars and bikes, it is very easy to take over. And the thing is that even though it is a soundless, noiseless, but we can feel the sounds of a motor. So we can some sense the motor, and we can sense a bike behind us. If we are riding behind the Prana electric, we are sensing some vibrations and sounds, because the sounds are from motor due to a high pressure, that is due to high force. It produces some minute sound. It will also like a whine, that is a sound that produced in the bypass while taking a high speed bikes, it will produce a sound of whine like that. It's also producing a sound of a mild sound, that is very nice. and it will also make the front person who is driving in a car or in any other scooter, they will just think, okay, some bikes are arriving. And also that braking system is having a disc brake, so it will attract a sports compulsion, and it will make that wheeling and sport parking effects also very nice. For that it's good. And moreover, the main thing is that the one drawback we are feeling that the footrest is somewhat back. So it will make a knee down, so it will make our knee a little bit 45-degree down. So it will also a sports design, so we need to be first we need to catch up with the practice of riding clearly. Moreover, it's very soft and smooth. Its experience is very very nice. And their drive experience have a very pleasant and smooth drive. There is no high maintenance also, that is the good thing. And then the battery is a non-detachable battery. They have also provided a provision that for a future fast charging, but fast charging adapters are not there, but there is a provision for having that adapters. If the fast charging arrives, they in the petrol tank design, they have to avail the fast charging, you need to put that and have fast charging adapters. That is a advanced feature they have think over. But whenever the fast charging arrives all over India, they are ready to accept also and ready to have an adapter for that also. It is a very nice thing to hear that. And if you like this, you just have a comment over that. And if you have an experience with the test drive, you just give the test drive experience. And thanks for watching. Give us a comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks.